It's an Etsy mystery beauty box. If you want to see what I got inside my box, then please keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very, very well. Today we are going to look at a mystery beauty makeup box. This is by Etsy. Here's a quick little peek. That's it, not too much. So this little box cost me £19.99 plus £3.99 P&P, and I will just give you some details from the seller. So that is the picture of what it looks like. If you can see it, sorry, there you go. So I mean, it looks very appealing, doesn't it? I think her name is SandyGlam Graphics. She's sold 170 of these boxes and she's got completely 5-star rating, which is fantastic. The box itself costs, as I said, £19.99. The details: what to expect inside your beauty box: 12 to 14 beauty items, including 3 pairs of SandyGlam lashes and more, all displayed and dispatched in a pretty SandyGlam box with pink filling. Image is an example of what to expect. Boxes may vary and can be slightly customized if requested. Please message for more details on this service. So I actually did message Sandy requesting that I have no lashes. I don't use lashes, not because I don't want to, but because I just cannot apply the damn things. I'm absolutely useless. So I've resorted to the little infills. I go to somewhere and they infill my eyelashes anyway. So I requested no lashes and she was absolutely fine, and she's obviously put something in instead. If I can't speak today throughout this video, I do apologise. For some reason, my head is all over the place today. I think it's the weather. I don't know. So I was really pleasantly surprised when I got this box and opened it. If you haven't seen already, I did a similar thing with eBay. I'll link that video down below and check that one out, and you can compare the differences of these boxes. So let's get straight in. Also, keep watching because I've got some news regarding this box that I would like you to listen out for. Right, okay, so I like the idea that she sent a little card in the box. If you like the look of this, you can actually find her at Etsy, SandyGlam Lashes. You can get her on Facebook at SandyGlam Lashes. And you can also get her at Instagram at SandyGlam_lashes. That's that. So the first item I see is a Technic palette. So this looks like a bronze palette, but I would easily use these as eyeshadows as well, which is quite nice. That's the first item there. And as you can see, for those of you that, you know, may have watched the eBay one, this is sealed. This has not been touched at all. There's like stickers on here. It's still in its box, and you can see it's actually brand new. And then we have something by Revolution. This is a Revolution cheek tint. Take a breather. So you get 4. These are stunning up close. These are gorgeous. They have like a marble effect on them. Absolutely beautiful. And I like the fact that you get various different shades there. That's going to help with any sort of kind of skin tone you may have. Them top 2 look like highlighters. And if they're not, you could use them as highlighters. And again, you could use these even as eyeshadows. What I like to see in here is we've got 3 different brushes here. Again, I'm not going to touch them or play with them. I'm assuming this could be some sort of like blush brush. I think that's a blending brush, and this one's a little tapered one, which I assume is for like under eye area, more detailed brush. And again, they've got all the wrappers on, all brand new. This I like. This is like face jewels. How cute and gorgeous is these? Absolutely beautiful. So Good thing if you've got a New Year party coming up. There is also a pink guava peel off face mask. Very handy for this time of year. If you're anything like me, get really dry skin. Always handy. There's also a beautiful shade lipstick. This is the Rouge edition, and this is by the brand, I can't pronounce this, Bourjois. Bourjois. I don't know how to pronounce it, and I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, beautiful. And again, I can't open it. Great. We then have some, oh, looks like some sort of glitter. This is called Chunky Glitter. Holographic. Paint Glow. Quick drying. So I'm assuming you'd pop this, avoid contact with the eyes and the lips. Not suitable for children under 3 years. So I'm assuming you could pop this on around your face and then pop on them face jewels, which would be excellent. Again, very, very festive and New Year. Very pretty. We then have a L'Oreal Eye Primer. Again, not been used, still has the sticker on it that's not been opened. We then have a, looks like a Master Precise Curly Mascara. This is by Maybelline. Again, not been touched. I don't know if it says the colour on that. It is black. We then have a very pretty, what is this? Looks like liquid crystal body liner. Okay, so it looks like some sort of like, this is like a lilac-y colour. It's got sparkles in it. So I'm assuming you could pop this on your eyes or your body or something somewhere. Again, this is sealed, it's not been opened at all. Very pretty, like that. And last but not least, we now have a Find lip gloss. Find is Amazon, isn't it? I'm sure it is Amazon. Yes, it is Amazon. This is like an iridescent colour. It's very pretty, and I think this would work equally well with a nice pink underneath and popping some of this on the top, or wear it alone, but equally as pretty. Okie dokie, so that is the full box of these contents. The reason why I wanted you to watch the whole of the video is this box will be up for November's giveaway. So if you want to win this, look out for the video, and it will have the details of how to enter and what you need to do. And also this comes in a nice little box, and I didn't have to wait too long for it either. So please let me know if you order anything from her. I think she's absolutely brilliant. She's very, very nice, very approachable, and I'm happy, very, very, very happy in considering the other one. Okay, so if you like these kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We do all kinds of unboxings, try-ons, makeup, beauty, mystery boxes, clothing hauls, subscription boxes, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, if you want to join us, please subscribe. Until we speak again, please take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll speak to you real soon. Take care, bye.